Breaking news on the Zika virus. Florida Governor Rick Scott announcing just today that 4 cases likely did come from mosquitoes right here in South Florida. And that would make these the first cases not linked to travel outside of the U.S.
It's in a small area of Miami-Dade County, and Local 10 News reporter Cheyenne Malone, she is live in Miami to tell us exactly where the virus may have been transmitted.
I'm in the Wynwood area where, yes, this is an area where it's believed to be Zika is coming from. Let me pan around so I can show you. If you've ever been down here, you know that there are lots of people coming and going, eating and shopping, tourists, and many people who don't even know they're at risk when it comes to catching the Zika virus.
This morning we learned that 4 people in our state likely have the Zika virus as a result of a mosquito bite.
Governor Rick Scott addressing the recent Zika cases contracted in South Florida.
This means Florida has become the first state in our nation to have local transmission of the Zika virus.
1 woman and 3 men have tested positive for Zika. The Department of Health believes the virus was transmitted in Miami-Dade County, just north of downtown Miami. The map shows the 1-mile radius where the Zika virus is being transmitted. The boundaries include northwest northeast 38th Street to the north and northwest northeast 20th Street to the south. The area includes the heart of Wynwood. Another live out here, look out here. You know, Governor Scott also mentions if you suspect that you have the Zika virus, or maybe you're suspicious that maybe something's going on health-wise, you should call the Florida Department of Health. Of course, as with any mosquito-borne illness, we always give the same warnings, the same updates. You always want to protect yourself with bug spray. Make sure it contains DEET. And if you're wondering why I'm standing in 90-degree-plus weather in long sleeves, well, it's also recommended that you cover your skin at all times. Now, there's lots of moving parts with this story, and it's continuing to develop. We'll keep you updated, and of course check local10.com for the latest. Reporting in Wynwood, Cheyenne Malone, Local 10 News.
All right, Cheyenne, thanks so much. And Senator Marco Rubio is also weighing in on the first confirmed local cases of Zika right here in Florida, saying, and I'm quoting here, "The news is disturbing, but no one should be surprised. I've been warning Congress for months that we would eventually have locally transmitted cases of Zika virus in the United States, and sadly that has now become a reality. All of us must redouble our efforts to protect our families from mosquitoes, and wherever possible to prevent water from pooling where mosquitoes might breed. We are entering a critical phase of this crisis."
And Puerto Rico is quickly becoming a hot spot for Zika infections. According to the Centers for Disease Control, rates of infection on the island have increased from 14% in February to 64% in June. A spokesperson for the CDC says the virus is reaching epidemic proportions in Puerto Rico, leading to the risk of hundreds of infants being born with Zika-related birth defects. And of course, amid those fears, local Zika fears, the FDA is now asking blood banks in Miami-Dade and Broward counties to temporarily stop collecting until further testing is done. One Blood, the primary blood supply center for Florida hospitals, also is saying today it will begin screening 100% of its collections for any trace of the virus.
And we want to really talk right now, especially to women who are pregnant right now. There's this information coming out about protecting your pregnancy from the health department in both Miami-Dade and Broward counties. And Constance, this is sort of the Zika prevention kit that they're talking about for pregnant women specifically. Of course, insect repellent for your clothing and insect repellent for your skin. And because this can be sexually transmitted, we're also talking about abstaining from having sex with your partner, or at least protecting yourself. All these things, of course, can be bought rather at a drugstore. But if you can't, go to the health department. You
know, it's pretty scary if you're thinking about having a child. You know, my husband works in the Wynwood Art District, and when I saw Cheyenne live out there, I'm going to give him a call and say, you better cover up completely.
Right, know. The long sleeves, the pooling water, but of course there is, you know, a lot of people don't realize that there is a repellent for your clothing as well as for your skin. Both are just very, very important, especially if you're pregnant or thinking about getting pregnant at some point in the future. And of course, again, because it can be sexually transmitted, this virus, you need to definitely protect yourself as well by protecting yourself with a condom. And these things can be picked up, as I said, at the health department. Just contact them or talk to your OBGYN as well.
All right, we've broken it down for you guys in Miami-Dade County. It's just north of the downtown area where the virus was transmitted. Again, we mentioned this. This is the Wynwood neighborhood of Miami.
And for everything you need to know, you can go to local10.com, of course. Inside the Zika story, we have an interactive section where you can take a much closer look at this map, learn about the mosquitoes and the health risks related to Zika. All of this, we have everything for you right there at local10.com.